ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಗುರು
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
The SR has started from my house, being the first representative of the state. The Bangalore South District and from Ramnagara, my officers came. I have signed the form. I found it a little bit difficult to enter all the details, but we can't have the experiences of downloading the form. There is an opportunity of downloading the form and entering to the telephone also online, but it is better all of us will receive the form, and any one member who is little bit educative can fill the entire form of all the members of the house. If someone is working outside the state or outside the residence, they can also, one senior member of the house who has little bit knowledge can enter it, and within 29th they have to return back the form. So without and the youngsters who have the new voter who have been not voting since 2002, they have to give a valid certificate or a residential certificate. The government of Karnataka has made options to provide the necessary certificate which has been required. We are not having all the 100% certificate, but still we have an option to give them the residential certificate or the caste certificates which has been required with the election commission's request. So all of you, I request you to see that you retain your voter list, and if you doesn't have your voter list on record, tomorrow you may find difficult to get the benefits from the government. This is the decision already taken in various states. So we are going to give the facilities or the guarantees or whatever the pensions or any program from the government only if he is a voter of Karnataka and a resident of Karnataka.
Thank you.